Hello viewers, hope you are doing good. Today we are making delicious stew. First take a half cup of oil, 4 to 5 chopped of onions, size medium payas, 7 to 8 chopped garlic, lasan, medium sized chopped ginger, odruk. Then mix it well. Half kg mutton. Mix. 4 to 5 round red chili, sabit mirchi. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, zira. Half teaspoon black pepper, koli mirch. Bay leaf, teज pata. Black cardamom, bari elaichi. Cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves long. Turmeric powder half teaspoon, haldi. Coriander powder, dhania. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix them well. Now, add 2 cups of water so our mutton get tender. Then cover the lid and cook for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes it's look 80% done. Now, add half cup of yogurt. Mix. After yogurt, cook at least 15 to 20 minutes more. After 20 minutes, it's done. Try this recipe and do let us know in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Bye.